Oh my god, guys, sorry. Oh my god, my phone is dying. Okay, never mind. Let's continue. Here should be an n, because according to the law, we know that a to the power of b to the power of c is equal a to the power of bc. Remember, equation, it means you can use any side to replace another side. So if we have a to the power of m times n, we can replace it by a to the power of m to the power, and the whole thing to the power of n. So the thing is, we can calculate e to the power of ln 2 first, then calculate the whole things to the power of 3. So we can do something like that. So according to the thing here, if the base of log and the base of exponent are same, they can cancel out. Log e cancel out, then it means 2 to the power of 3, 2 cubed, which is equal 8. So that's the thing. That's why we need to learn something like that, because it can make your calculation convenient. Oh, and for those question, because when you calculate log, most of the time the result you get must be a irregular. Oh my god, irregular. Oh my god, irrational number. Oh my god, I make a mistake. Sorry, mistake of English. So most of the time, the thing you calculate is not a rational number. So that's why you need a calculator. So try to use calculator to calculate it. I think everyone should practice using the calculator during the summer vacation, because you have to warm up your hand, just like playing piano. You have to find the key as fast as possible. It can improve your speed. So like just imagine that you have to type like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 114 514, like some many random number, but because it takes time, so you have to practice how to calculate how to type as fast as possible. But also I want to give everyone a tip, because during the test, I think paper 2 you need a calculator a lot. So I suggest that you can write everything. You can just write all the process, and at the end maybe you will face something like that. After you change it, you know that x is equal ln 4. But right now, don't calculate it. Don't use calculator. You finish all the question and use calculator at the same time. Why? Because when you write, you have momentum of writing. Okay, it's just a simile, but I want to say, centralized work efficiency is high. So, so like if you have to use calculate a lot, I think in the paper 2, just calculate at the end of the test. After you finish the question, you can are able to finish, then calculate controlize. Yes, believe me, it's more efficiency. If you ask me why, it's my experience. Okay, then let's use the thing to solve this. So bye. So it's like that. 10 to the power of x minus 2 is equal 21. Okay, according to the thing here. Oh, wait, according to the thing here, but this time we have to change this form to this form. So 21 is A, 10 is base B, and x minus 2 is the x. So it means x minus 2 is equal log 10 21, which can write as log 21. Then x is equal to plus log 21. Okay, the answer is same, so we are genius. If you can do it by yourself, you are genius pro max. Okay, let's continue. Okay, before we continue, practice type this thing in your calculator and get the result. Okay, let's continue. So obviously here's a stupid mistake. I don't know why they always make mistake, but let's continue. So the original question is like that. So guys, like I mean I wanna stress that if you learn something, some theory, some principle which is correct and it's right as an equation, it means you can always use left side to replace right side or use right side to replace left side. For example, here we can use this thing to replace this thing to replace this thing. We can also use this thing to replace this thing. What I mean? Oh, let's see this question. Left side is e to the power of something. Right side is 4 times e to the power of something. It seems that if we can use something to replace 4, use e to the power of something to replace just 4, it will be easy to calculate it. So what should we do? Let's go up. Follow our textbook. Not here. Oh, here. X, oh my god. Ln e to the power of x is equal x. X is equal ln e to the power of x. So it means 4 is equal e to the power of ln 4. So e to the power of 3x plus 2 is equal 4 times e to the power of x. So e to the power of 3x plus 2 is equal e to the power of ln 4 times e to the power of x. Therefore, e to the power of ln 4 plus x is equal e to the power of 3x plus 2. The base is same as what I explained yesterday. We can cancel it out directly because it's not something like x to the power of x equal y to the power of y. We cannot cancel out to get x to y. Okay, it's like that. You can use from here to here. You here. No. You can. It's like that. You can use this to prove this, but you cannot use this to prove this. But for this thing, we can. So we know that 3x plus 2 equal ln 4 plus x. After we simplify, we know that x is equal ln 4 over 2 minus 1. Use our calculator. If the result you get is not this, then you made the mistake of typing. So that's why we have to practice how to use calculator. No, improve our speed and the rate of, oh my god. Here. Oh my god.
Accuracy.
Okay. So for the log, as for the core part of log, it's not too much. We just use the definition of log to do some question. So now, I hope you guys can do the homework. Please do the homework. Okay? Do the homework. It can make your life really fun. Do some homework. It will, I mean, the question after is something, oh my god, why is it related math with something which I cannot understand? Radioactivity. But today we learn is something related to just theory, like yes, some equation. So I mean, I hope everyone can practice page 80, exercise 1C's question here. You can, if you find so this one type of question is easy, then you can, I mean, those questions is same size, same type. I mean, if you do some, or if you it's easy, then you don't have to do all of it. Make your time, use your time efficiency. So I mean, it's like what? It's like, if you can do 2 plus 3, like plus, which when the number less than 10. So you just practice 10. Then if you can you know this, you have already know the knowledge. Then you can do some question which is a little bit harder to improve it, to improve your knowledge. Because I mean, don't practice same type of question to a long time if you already know that and can do it with higher accuracy. Yes, make your time efficiency. So I hope you guys can do just these pages, because these pages is like, is check if you really understand this knowledge. Okay. Oh, also I wanna tell you guys something. Maybe it will. I remember it's appear in like standard level extended part in AA. But guys, do you remember that a to the power of negative x is equal 1 over a to the power of x, right? So for here's a negative integer. But maybe so everyone know that a to the power of x is just a to the power of x. A to the power of x related to a to the power of negative x. But maybe some student want to ask a to the power of 1 over x equal what? Then let's do something. Do you guys remember this? So guys, tell me. So if we want to use something as we want to use a number to be the power of a to the power of 1 over x, the better idea is, okay, I don't know is my English correct, but I want to say something like that. We do something like that according to here, because a to the power of b then to the power of c is equal a to the power of b times c. So we can use this formula to change the whole thing like that. For the both, so it's equal a, and this side is equal. We had to do same thing for both sides of the equation, so it's equal this. Question mark to the power of x equal a. Then you guys tell me. Question mark equal what? Obviously, we should use what? Root. Which root? Okay. I don't know how to say that, but guys, see. Okay, I mean, I think you guys can understand what I write here. So please tell me how to read this in English, and it's equal. So we know that question mark is equal this, which is equal a to the power of 1 over x. So just remember this, because if my memory is correct, it will appear in the standard level extended part. Let's see. Because I remember my touch channel is something appeared here. Jesus, faster. It is complicated. 1, 2, 3. What? Oh no, it's fine. Are you okay? Yeah. Wait. There's some mistake here. Quickly, please. Quickly, Peter. Oh my god. Oh. Did I close this book? It's not something really good. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's not stable. Jesus. Quickly. Oh my god, it's something really funny. Okay, it will make everyone feels really bad of math. So guys, just ignore it. I hope everyone love math. You see, you guys, everyone will learn it in like standard level extent part of x1 and log. In like at least in AA standard level. I mean, everyone have to learn AA standard level if you learn AA. So yes, you guys will learn it in the future. Later. Yes, I will say later when Mr. Sullivan teach us. But if you can remember it, one more thing, then you just remember it. Okay, this is the thing I want to teach today. I mean, maybe I can upload those video on Bilibili. If I really upload this on Bilibili, maybe you will also listen those sentences. Yes. Ignore my English, guys. I try my best. Oh my god. I want to say many things, but my English is so bad. So, okay, then have a nice afternoon, I think. Oh yeah, no, have a nice evening. Now it's 12:13 in the night, so I will go to sleep.